Where to look from? Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. Anshul said, "It looks like a small box kept in a bigger one." Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car, but the drawings looked different. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Have you looked at things from different sides? Do they look the same or different? Look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? Some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. Will they look like this?